Introduction. There exist diverse theories of the origin of the universe and life. This has been argued through scientific theory, creation theory, and myths theory. With these theories, people have different ideologies and views in accordance with what one believes in. This paper summarizes beliefs about the origin of the universe and life, giving my interpretation of the same. Origins reflection. People believe in various theories of origin varying from Christians' creations, scientific evolutions, and cultural theories. Christians believe that God created the universe. Conversely, scientists believe that the universe took evolution way of origin. More so, there are cultural myths that take some form of origin that are passed from generation to the other. God made various commands to formless universe, hence the creation of heaven, earth, and all the animals. According to scientific theory, which I believe in, universe was formed through a reaction of gaseous forms. With this, evolution was a slow process that later formed the universe. Also, this led to an evolution of creatures to their modern forms. Moreover, creation myths across the globe have been told generation after the other, varying from community to the other. Citing an example of African Mesopotamia people, there was Sumerians who believed in a myth called Gilgamesh. They assumed that God had existed way before the earth was formed. With all these different beliefs of origin and life, it may lead to various contradicting information and hence divisions of people in their daily lives. Genesis account of creation. According to Genesis chapter 1 and 2, universe was formless and dark, there was only water that contained the Spirit of God. God made creation orders, and hence the creation began with a separation of dry land with the waters and darkness with light. He created heaven and earth and separated day and night, thus, according to Christians, there was innovation of calendar. He created all the animals, and the last creation was man. Creation took 6 days, and on the 7th day he took a rest. God gave man some powers to oversee his creation and to name all the plants and animals. Evolution and age of the earth. As observed by Lurquin, the origin of the universe is simply the evolution that occurred about 4.5 billion years back. This can be defined as a belief that multiplied millions of years ago, and some form of life began out of natural causes from living atoms. It is this matter that took some changes gradually up to the modern life. This can be proven by the fossils that were discovered. For instance, fossils of dinosaurs show that there was an evolution of those lives to modern ones. Evolutionary theory shows that related organisms share the same characteristics, which are related with common ancestral roots. In comparison to time of evolution and space involved, it got some necessity for the occurrence of the waters and dry land. This also can be viewed by the fact that there was gradual reaction of gases that led to dry land. My understanding of the origin of the universe. In comparison, both creationism and evolution got similarity that can be upheld and assist in reconciling the two. That is, in both, there is a fact that universe and earth are very old, and there was a process for either of the occurrences. God took 6 days to create the earth, while evolution took time as well. There was the discovery of fossils about 5,000 years back, and biblically that was the time Adam and Eve were created, thus, getting to a common ground. Old Earth creationism is an argument that scientifically agrees with the age of the earth but discards 6 days of creation by God as 6 eras. Conclusion. In all forms of origins and life, there is a sense of the universe and later sense of creatures, including the humankind. This shows that there is a kind of process that led to the modern way of living. You can find this and many other essay samples on our website, studycorgi.com.